A good morning to all. So in this video, I will discuss about the importance and need of financial education. So is it important to have financial education in your life? Well, a big yes. So will you suffer if you don't have financial education in your life? The answer to this question is also yes. Because the era, the time, the future in which we are stepping ahead is the time where technologies and startup will be touching the heights. So definitely a big yes to financial learning. So this video is basically divided into three parts. First part will be on what is financial education. Second part is how to acquire financial education. And third, last but not the least, how to initiate after having financial education in your life. So let's start with the first. What is financial education? So when people thinks about the term financial education, the only thing that comes in their mind is money. Well, no doubt, money is a basic factor of financial learning, but financial education is a broader concept. Yes. So in simple and short words, financial education is all about how one can effectively utilize his or her money, how you can utilize effectively your resources, how one can differentiate between the needs and the desires. So this is the only factor where the actual factor begins. So the financial education is all about the importance of making differences between the needs and the desires, and how you can effectively utilize your money, and how you can effectively grow your money. And if you don't know how to effectively utilize your money and how to effectively grow your money, then it's so obvious that you will lose your money in the end. So that's why financial education is a basic thing in everyone's life that should form part of our life. Second, now after clearing what is financial education, the point that comes after in mind is that now how to acquire financial education. Is there any particular source? Well, I personally recommend that the best source to achieve financial learning is books. Yes, you can visit some videos, you can check some courses, you can watch mentors, you can take online courses, but taking that online course is not everyone's cup of tea, because that involves a monetary expense. So what I personally recommend to you, you can read books either digitally, or you can purchase a book from any kind of store or online. You can watch videos on YouTube too. I will too discuss things like that. I will discuss later sources of finance and things like that. So reading books about finances is the best step to achieve financial learning. I will help you in that too. Now at last, let's come to the topic, how to initiate after having financial education in your life. Now once you learn the importance of financial education, once you feel the need of financial education, now the one basic question that arises in your mind is that now how to initiate after having such knowledge in your mind. So the answer to this question is also simple. There are various sources of finances, there are various sources of things through which you can initiate in your financial learnings. You can invest in yourself too. Yes, because learning and taking experiences are the best assets that one can have in their life. So in the upcoming videos, I will discuss sources of finance with you. I will discuss things like that, and apart from that, I will make a separate video on each and every class of asset, whether they are equity, debts, or any kind of security, cryptocurrencies, stock markets, and things like that. I will make a separate videos on that, and with that we'll continue. So at last, the conclusion is, if you have financial learning, financial education in your life, then you'll definitely going to be a rich person for sure. Our schools do not provide financial learning. Our schools do not provide financial education. Our education system is good and better, but it lacks sometimes, it lacks somewheres. And where it actually lacks, it helps you to make, it helps you in making a good person, but it is unable to help you that how you can be a financially independent. So this is something that you need to acquire. And yes, a big yes to the question, is financial education is a skill? Yes, definitely yes. Having finance in your life is a skill, and it requires a development, a process, a learning, and a consistent behavior of a user, of a learner. So that's why I personally recommend you, apart from your academics, stay focused, provide your focus directly on financial learning, because if you have financial learning in your life, you will definitely going to be a successful person. Thank you.